Welcome back to Jain Logic training videos. In this video, we're going to walk through the steps on how to create a water use report off of a flow meter. This is becoming a more common thing where you actually have to report out to an agency or even for your internal use on how much water you're pumping through a flow meter. So we've built in a tool that lets you do that and gives you a pretty powerful report. So let's walk through the steps to do that. The first thing we want to do is select our flow meter. So let me click on this flow meter. And here you can see we have a widget that's just for the flow meter. And right now the pump's not running, but it shows a few numbers and statistics for how much water we've been pumping. But we want to create a report that we can email out or have an Excel spreadsheet. We allow you to go one step further and actually customize what's on that report. So let me show you how to do that. Within the widget, next to the name, you'll see this edit. So by default, it just pulls the flow meter name for the name of it, but you can edit that and a couple of other inputs. So I want to change this name, and I'm going to call this main pump because it's the main pump for that location. Then we let you put the GPS location and the APN number. Now for a lot of people, this isn't necessary, so you don't need to fill it out. But there are agencies that want this information on any reports. So we're going to enter in this information. Let me put in the GPS location. By entering the lat long. And then I'm going to put the APN number. We'll just click Save. Now that information is going to show up on my report. So we'll close this. We'll come back to this window. So to run the report, there's a couple of ways you can do it. You can do it by the top level. We go to the top level and choose it off of reports. And here you can see the very last report is the total flow report. And this will give you the total flow for anything underneath this level. But in this case, I only want to do a report on that individual pump. So I'm going to go back to the pump and go to this widget, and you can see report. We'll click on the report. Now it gives you a few options. You can choose the date span and the output format. So the date span for what I want to do is the year to date. So I'll choose year to date. And then we let you choose if you want to do it as a PDF, an Excel, or a Word file. So because I'm going to email this to someone and I don't want them to be able to edit it, I'm going to do it as a PDF file. But for some agencies, they actually want an Excel file. But in this case, we'll do a PDF file. And I'm going to download, but you can also email it directly out of here. But I want to download it so we can see a copy of it. So I'll hit download. This takes a moment, and it's going to give us a file location. I'll just save it there. And then let's open this up now that it's created. Let's open it up and look at it. So here it gives us our report. It shows that it's the almond flow meter at the main pump. It gives us our location, our APM number, and then the total gallons, acre inches, and acre feet that was irrigated. So these reports are wonderful. You can just email these right out to the agency or for your own internal use. So it's just a few simple steps, and it really allows you to do something pretty powerful and just leverage the data coming off of your devices. So I hope that helps, and I hope this helps ease reporting for the company. Thank you.